Hey crocheters, my name is Erin. I'm a crochet pattern designer and I love to learn new crochet things. Today I want to teach you how to add a fringe border like I've done to this blanket here. This is a fun rainbow blanket and I decided to add this spunky looking border using fringe in the rainbow colors along with the stripes down the edge. This is a really easy technique, so let me teach you how I did it. For my most quick and easy way that I make fringe for my crochet projects is, I take my bit of yarn and then I usually have like a book of some sort. This is just like a blank notebook. It's approximately like 4 inches-ish. I start my yarn on the side where the pages are, and then I just wind my yarn around and around and around. I wind it like, I don't know, like a million times or, just however many is necessary for the project that I need. Like, are you going to use 2 strands of fringe, 3 strands of fringe? So I tend to use 3 strands. And so, you want to do like 3 times the number of like fringe pieces that you need, right? The stitches that need fringe. Okay. So something like that. Of course, if I'm doing a blanket or something, I do so many more, but I'm just going to show you quick and easy. So I cut that off. And then the reason why I like to start it at the pages part is because then there's like a bit more flexibility when I need to cut it. And I just kind of cut the fringe. Something like that. So then you take your thing that you're going to put your fringe on, and I take my 3 pieces of fringe, or however many. You can do 2, you can do 1, you can do whatever. Usually what I do is I have it face the wrong side just because the way that I do it. You can do it along the actual stitches or along the end of the rows here. So what I do is I insert my hook through the end, and then I have my 3 pieces of fringe bent like so, and I grab the loop and pull it through. Okay, then I give it enough space, and I take the ends of the yarn and I pull them through like that. So then on the back side, you have that looking like that, and then on the front, it's just a bit cleaner with the way that this is folded here. So you're going to fold that in half. And then on the wrong side, you go to the next row. Insert your hook, grab the loop. Want to make sure that you get right in the middle and that all of the ends come through, and pull that tight. So real easy, and I'll just do that all up and down. Then at the end, you know how these are just different size fringe, if that bothers you. If that doesn't bother you, you can just leave it. If it does bother you, find a straight edge or something and then just snip so that they're all the same size. I'll show you an example. Here's the blanket that I am working on, and it's a rainbow blanket. And here I had my fringe pieces kind of correspond to whatever color of the rainbow it was in the stripe. And then here in between, I have my gray. But it just really adds just like a fun fringe border. Kids will love to play with that. It's kind of a good fun sensory thing. A big reason why I added the fringe was just to add some length along the sides. So real fun, easy peasy. So what do you think about the fringe tutorial? Do you see yourself adding this fringe onto anything else? Let me know in the comments. That way I get to know you a little bit more. Also, tell me what kind of blanket border you would like to learn about next. Please like this video and share it with your crochet friends. And then hit that little bell so you're notified next time I come out with another crochet tutorial video. Happy crocheting, everybody!